enjoy how clear everything was, and every single question was answered. And even when the subject was being taught, we had the opportunity to write sticky notes and put on our parking lot board. And then right after the section, you actually went back and answered all questions. That was amazing. Would I recommend this? Heck yes. Okay, for the price it's amazing. For the information you actually get, it's actually priceless. So I'll definitely recommend this. Come here and get your knowledge, and come here and make money.
I recommend these ladies' workshops to anyone. I learned lots of insider secrets, so to speak, of how to cash flow your life with different avenues of real estate, property preservation, lease options, flipping houses, wholesaling houses, and anytime they're having a workshop in the future, I highly recommend you attend.
Very transparent and share information, and took the time to answer our questions, introducing us to industry experts and really getting a lot of inside knowledge. I would definitely recommend this to anyone who is interested in ways of cash flowing their life in real estate. Definitely worth it. I would take this class again, and this absolute workshop again. I would take it again, because I know if I sat through it again, I would learn something more. So I just consider it really a blessing to have met them. They are truly a godsend. So if you ever see Cash Flow Your Life workshop advertised for anywhere within a commutable distance, go. Do not hesitate. Do not overthink it. Leap.
Real estate with wholesaling and options, just the financial flow is endless if you got the capacity.
Class was so awesome. I would definitely recommend it to any and everyone over the age of 18, because it's a lot of math, and I'm just playing 16, 17, 18. It's for anyone. Jackie, they are amazing. They're like letting out secrets like you're not gonna find in the books. Like people are not gonna tell you. I mean, unless you pay like $10,000, it's some change. Then the field trip was amazing because I'm a hands.
What I like about the workshop, it is mind-blowing, eye-opening. I see how it can work for me. And most of all, I would recommend it to anyone who needs to learn about how to make some money without worrying about spending your own as well. And like my shirt say, faith over fear. I'm taking a leap, and I'm gonna go ahead and do what I can to make this work for me.
I've learned so much more. There's so much value to this workshop than the price tag suggests. I've learned there's unlimited opportunities to make money in real estate outside of being a traditional investor. Just the workshop is phenomenal.
Call me the police ninja, beauty lies within, I wanna see what's in ya. Hermit tucked between the Ferragamo, the hustle is all I know, the only thing I got time for.
You're selling the house. If there's an AC that got, now there's certain things I always do permits, ACs and roofs, because you always want to show a buyer that you have a new roof or you have a new AC. You know, but it doesn't necessarily make a difference if I put ceiling fans in the room, and so I necessarily need a permit for that. But anything that goes under air, so if there's an extension to the house and you didn't put that on the permit, then that square footage of that house will not be on public record. So some houses, like I've had a house that had, the public record said 924 square feet. The homeowner before me put 3 new rooms on it, so it was actually 1,800 square feet, but it was still on record for 914.